Welcome to our Fluent Diary. I am Sandeep. Gonna teach you that how to speak English. So many people are facing a problem that they cannot speak English. First thing you have to remember, guys, English is not our mother tongue. So, as matter of course, we cannot speak without practice or without grammar study. So, first thing we have to do is only practice. So, before practice, you all need to do only to listen a well speaker. So when I was used to do learn English, I had started to learn some native speakers from USA or UK. So such that you have to also imitate them, means listen them. As much as you can, you just listen. Once while you listen and you can understand that the way of speaking, how they are speaking, ultimately you can able to speak English. So imitation is very important. Second thing, grammar. So many people are saying that grammar is not important. But let me tell you guys, without grammar, you cannot speak good English. Why is grammar important? Because we have to form and frame a sentence appropriate without making any mistake. So that is why grammar is important. So I would share with you some grammatical topics which are really important in order to understand and improve your communication skills. First is that part of speech. There are 8 part of speech. Second is tenses, which are really important. Without tenses, you cannot make proper and appropriate sentence. And third one, I would recommend you guys do active voice and passive voice, because tenses and active voice and passive voice sentence structures are really different. So you have to understand and recognize which types of sentence you are talking. And fourth topic is very important: reported speech, direct or indirect speech. So while you are speaking, if you wanted to narrate someone words in your own words, so direct indirect speech will help you out to understand this concept. So overall, I would like to tell you guys, these are very important topic you have to understand. And last one, which are really important, two thing, if you want it to be a very advanced at your communication, first learn phrasal verbs, which are really important. Guys, look, phrasal verbs are really different. If I'm talking look and after, these two words are really different with each other, and every word depicting their meaning. So once these two words come together, it will make a other sentence and other meaning of the sentence. Look after means what? To take care of someone. So such that there are so many things you have to understand, and I will teach you in the next lecture. Till then, you have to just subscribe the channel and yes, wait for the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.